Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can apply the outline stroke to your texts on Figma. So let us get started right away. Alright, so let me head over to that design here for demonstration purposes. Let me zoom in to that example text here. So guys, if you'd like to apply an outline to that text, an outline stroke, start by left-clicking into the given text box. And after that, you will see that customization panel opening to the right. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click into that plus button here next to stroke. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to customize your stroke, for example, by selecting a color. Now, keeping a black color, it doesn't make any sense if the fill color of that text is black as well. So let me switch to, I don't know, red, for example, to show you the difference. And if we zoom in a bit, guys, you will see that there is an outline. And now you can customize it. For example, you can adjust the transparency of the background or outline color here. You may also select the position here of the outline stroke, like outside, which would be basically outlining. You may also go with inside or centered, and so on and so forth. And you can also adjust the thickness by left clicking into the weight box here, or click into the left edge of the box, hold the left mouse, and after that move your mouse to the right or to the left to apply the weight or thickness of the outline effect. As you can see now, it's pretty strong. And what you may do also, guys, you may click into these advanced stroke settings here to the right. And yeah, keep customizing your stroke settings. Like for example, you may change the width profile to another one from, I don't know, from that one, from straight line to mixed, or to this one. Then you may switch from stroke style like solid or dashed. That looks pretty strange. And yeah, or a custom one, or you may select, for example, an angle here below, or switch from basic to dynamic settings. And yeah, that's pretty advanced here. So if you'd like to play around with that, like smoothen the outline stroke a bit or adjust the frequency, let me test that a bit. So there you go. So there's quite a lot you can do here, guys. Just play around with these settings, and yeah, as you can see, the outline effect has been added. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.